CindyALewis here, and today is the day to draw the big subscriber giveaway for September. So if you remember, it's Christmas card packs. For the winners, there'll be 5 different ones, some smaller kits, and then the larger kit. Help you guys get started with your holiday cards. So I am going to put these, well, I've got these ready to go. Actually, I just have to put them in envelopes. So we need to draw names. So thanks so much to everybody for participating. I know that this was a fun month and I appreciate all of you. And I would like to recommend that you enter the 15K giveaway that's going on right now. It's linked below, so don't forget about that. And the drawing is on October 18th, so you don't want to miss that one. And then our Friday giveaways every week. So let's get in and see who wins the card kits. So the big September giveaway has really been fun, and here is the URL in the random comment picker. And then I have anything goes, so I'm going to change that to the keyword, which was big September giveaway, and allow duplicates because you can enter more than once. And let's get the entries, and we have 274. That's amazing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the smaller kits first, and I'm gonna pick a winner. And this one is Austin. Austin, you have won. Austin, my friend in Ohio, you won a kit. Great, to get you started. And remember, there are cards and envelopes and some papers in here just to help you get started with your kit. Congratulations, Austin. Okay, so you cannot win more than once. Oh, I do want to say, Austin, if your address has changed, please let me know. All right, I'm going to pick another winner, and Elaine Lozano. Elaine, you have won the little red truck set. So this is the red truck set. So Elaine, and I should be showing you which one I'm drawing for first, but I was so excited. So this one is the deer card set, and I know it's really close, but this one is this set. And remember, it has extra goodies in there for you. So let's get another winner. And it is Butterfly Crafts and Crochet. There you go. You have won, Dana. All right. Now I have one more set like this, and this set has gold foiled cards in it and also some stamps in it. So this is a really fun set. And let's draw a winner. And the winner is Marissa Alvarez. Marissa, I think I have your address, but if you could please just verify with me your address, go back to your comment and just let me know. All right, lastly, I'm just going to show you, it's really close, but it's this Joys of the Season card kit by Crafter's Companion. All the pieces are here to make the cards, but you can change them up however you want. The grand prize winner is Joan Sensing. Joan, you have won the big set. So I'm gonna scroll out and show all the winners. Okay, so our grand prize winner, Joan Sensing, you have won this beautiful card set. It makes, I think, up to 20 cards. I think that's what they said on here, 20. And then Austin, you've won the wreath card set. Congratulations to Elaine Lozano, who won the red truck set. The gold foil, Marissa, you have won the gold foil set. And Butterfly Crafts and Crochet, you won the little deer set with the barn in the background. So I hope everyone is excited as I am about winning, and thank you for participating in the big September giveaway. Remember to go to my 15K giveaway and enter. I'd love for you to participate. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate you. Have a great weekend.